Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and so in this video we will let you know about the exciting world of Google AdWords bidding strategies. So whether you are an experienced advertiser or just starting out, by just understanding these strategies you can make dramatic improvement to your campaign results. So the first thing is to understanding the bidding landscape. Google Ads do offers a diverse range of bidding strategies, each tailored to the specific campaign goals and business priorities. By just understanding these strategies is essential for making informed decisions and doing the optimization for the ads efforts. The first thing is the manual CPC. The epitome of control empowers you to set the maximum amount that you are willing to pay for each click for your keyword. This strategy that is very ideal for those advertisers seeking precision and those with clear goals such as generating leads or capturing a very high quality clicks. The next is the enhanced CPC, a refined version of the manual CPC. The enhanced CPC leverages Google Ads machine learning capabilities to dynamically adjust bids based on the real performance data. This strategy strikes the balance between the control and the automation by just helping you to get some more clicks while staying within your budget constraints. The next is the Target CPA bidding strategy. Target CPA, that is for those advertisers who focus on conversions. Target CPA provides a straightforward approach to optimized bidding. By specifying the maximum amount you are willing to pay for each conversion, you ensure that your advertising efforts align with your business objective, whether it's in generating leads or driving sales. The next one is the Target ROAS. The Target ROAS allows you to define the desired return on ad spend, ensuring that your advertising investment generates a positive financial return. This strategy is particularly beneficial for businesses with well-defined profit margins and a clear understanding of their customer acquisition costs. The next is the maximize clicks. For those who seeking to maximize the web traffic within a tight budget, this maximize click automatically do the optimization of the bidding to drive the highest number of clicks within your budget. This strategy is ideal for businesses in the early stages of their online presence or those seeking to drive general awareness. The next is the maximize conversion bidding strategy. This one is similar to Target CPA. The maximize conversion prioritizes conversion, automatically adjusting bids to maximize the number of conversion within your budget. This strategy is perfect for businesses with clear conversion goals such as generating leads or just increasing the sales. The next is the Target impression share. Brand awareness enthusiasts, this one is for you. The Target impression share allows you to specify the percentage of impression you want your ads to capture, ensuring that your brand is seen by the right audience at scale. This strategy is very ideal for businesses seeking to establish brand recognition or to launch new products or services. The next is the maximize viewable impression, that is the CPM. The video ad creators rejoice. Maximize viewable CPM focuses on maximizing the number of viewable impressions for your video ads, ensuring that your content is seen by the intended audience and that your message resonates effectively. The next one is the maximize conversion value. For those that are selling the high value products or services, maximize conversion value prioritizes by extracting the highest possible value from each conversion, ensuring the optimal return on investment. This strategy is particularly beneficial for businesses with high margin products or the services. The next is the percent CPA. offering greater flexibility than the target CPA. Percent CPA allows you to define the percentage of your CPA you are willing to pay for each conversion. This strategy provides more control over bid adjustment compared to the target CPA, making it suitable for businesses comfortable with some level of viability in their cost per acquisition. The next is the target ROAS for video. Target ROAS for video enables you to specify the desired return on the ad spend specifically for your video ads, maximizing the revenue generated from your video campaigns. The next is the value optimized CPM. The display ad creators take note. Value optimized CPM automatically adjust bids to prioritize the most valuable impressions for your display ads, ensuring that your ads reach the right audience and deliver the optimal results. Choosing the right strategy for your goals. With a plethora of bidding strategies at your disposal, the key lies in selecting the one that aligns with your specific campaign goals and business objective. Consider factors such as the budget constraint, conversion objectives, and the brand awareness aspirations. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy advertising.